when the rotation starts, these machines provide total freedom. Everything is on hold while you're being centrifuged. Well, actually, the first day wasn't really planned out very well. I thought they had a little bit control over the ride itself. Except for one incident where the expansion. This contraption is a dandelion, so we tried to compensate for the weight and size differential. No idea which track it was going to take. Unpredictability was an important aspect of our work. Which in many people